Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So Charmaine and I are back with another collab. This time around it's one of our favorite Studio Ghibli movie. I think we like all of them. But we really wanted to do something that is Studio Ghibli inspired. So this collection is called Delivery Service. Make sure you check out Charmaine's shop. All of the items that you see here today, including the acrylic washi cutter. I have a lot of other stuff on the website that does go with this collection, will be up on our website at 10 a.m. Central. Charmaine will also have a variety of other delivery service inspired items also in her shop, so make sure you check it out. I also have her plan with me linked down below. But yeah, let's get started. But this is what I came up with. It's just very pastel this time. The last kit that I made, that is Kiki's Delivery Service inspired, was very red and purple, but that kit is also have been available on the website. This right here is my artwork. Some of these are Charmaine's and then some of them I recreated just to match. The little radio, the sunflowers I did, the fish thing, that's hers. But yeah, we always compliment each other's artwork anyways, so it's really good. Like, it's nice to work with somebody like that. But yeah, this kit right here is for the Hobonichi Cousin. I have a variety of sizes. Also, we have for all three Hobonichis, all three Wonderland 222 planners. We have a standard vertical and also a B6 size for those people that still use the 1.5 and 1.9 width full boxes. We got you. So make sure you also head over to Charmaine's shop, because a lot of the items that we have, like these sticky notes, let me show you guys them first. This is the Oops sticky notes. It is a different color variation than the actual one that we ordered. So this Oops right here will be listed in the shop just as an Oops item. There's nothing wrong with it except for the color. It's not what we wanted it to be. This one right here is the actual green that we were looking for, more of an olive, drawn by Charmaine. And then the bottom right here, there's a little RDXLC. This is our newest washi tape. Look at that, it's so adorable. I'm going to be using this today for my plan with me. And then the Jiji washi cutter. This is also illustrated by Charmaine. Sorry, my morning voice. very deep. There you go. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is actually set up my Hobonichi weeks for next week, because this is going to be the very first week that I am able to move in my 2022. So let's take this off. I actually saved these for every collection that we have. Look at that seal. It's super duper cute. It has little breads, like pastries on it, like the croissant and then the roll. So I try to carefully just peel it. I'm gonna set these aside so that I can show you guys how I will set it up in my Hobonichi weeks. It will be over here. If you leave a sticky note here too long, there's some sort of residue, but it's no big deal. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit just to see, so you can see what's going on. Just as a reminder, a lot of washi tape though, whether it's from our shop or someone else's, they would look a little bit different comparing them between the roll and also place. It will also be different depending on what color background you choose. The Hobonichi paper is slightly yellow tinted, so it's a little, you know, it's not too stark white. But if you use this on a planner that's like bright white, I think the true colors will show. Okay, so I want to put this right here to cover up the bottom. Is it? Could kind of cover up the whole thing actually, but I'm gonna leave that quote. There's a little quote in the bottom. Oh, how cute! Already so cute. Gonna do the same here. It's gonna be a really quick setup for the Hobonichi weeks, because this is my on-the-go planner. I try not to decorate it too much. And then over here, we're gonna do one of the sticky notes. So I'm gonna peel one right now, and I think they fit perfectly right here. on the bottom. Yeah, we kind of planned that out. No. So that's gonna go there, and I will keep this like this until I finish doing my Hobonichi Cousin, which we're gonna do next. I'm gonna see what stickers I could use just as an extra. But yeah, that's it for this Hobonichi Weeks. Right now, we'll be right back. So we are going to be planning the very first week of December using our new collection. I don't know, I feel Christmassy, but it's pastel. I think it's because of the green and the red combined. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down these stickers, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have finished decorating. You guys saw all of that. And let me just explain what is happening. Let me put some of that washi there. So for the current week, or for this coming week, I just did all of my work up here when it starts at 7 a.m. with some tiny text from Adorably Amy Designs. I did lay out my full boxes. I wanted it to look like a scene, like it tells you a story, but also I left the space down here available for me in case I need to write something for the shop, which usually happens. But this area right here I left blank so that I could use the 7 to 4 p.m. hourly time slot just in case something happens at work that I need to know, like therapy and other things for my patient. And then Saturday and Sunday I left that open. For my sidebar, I kept it with all of the greens except for this one right here because this is all mainly work stuff. I'm tracking my work hours and also the days that the therapy people show up. But yeah, that is it for this Hobonichi Cousin. I do have a lot of leftovers which I am going to tuck in here because I will use them probably on the go, like if I need to add more color to it, and also add it in my Hobonichi Weeks. But yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for your never-ending support for me and Charmaine. I cannot thank you enough. I love working with her. It's not even work. we just get along so well, and we cannot wait to bring you guys more collections. This collection again will go live at 10 a.m. Central on both our websites today. Make sure you read all of the info in the bottom. But yeah, alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.